a dhíobh a chuirde agus fáilte roimh arás chuig fáilmhíní Gaeilge.
Level B1 Topic 2 on Teaghlach. Level B1 Topic 2 The family or the household.
Level B1 Topic 1 Rannóg Teaghlaigh Éagsúla ag díriú bheithigh labhairt. Level B1 Topic 1 Section 5 Different families focusing on speaking. Agus le múna ag tagart do rudaí faoi le a bhaineann leis an Teaghlach, referring to specific things related to the family. Teaghlaigh Éagsúla. Féach ar na focail seo. Look at these words. Am diggin tú iad. Do you understand them? Cén aimsir le na muineann siad. So what tense are they? Lapósa, rugu, togu. So to marry, was born, was raised. Gealta, breithlá, pósta. Gealta, engaged or promised. Breithlá, birthday. Pósta, married. So let's look a little more closely at these words. Lapósa, to marry, is the anam brithra, the verbal noun. And then we have rugu, the aimsir past tense, sérbhrithar. So the autonomous or the impersonal form. Togu, aimsir rish, past tense again, sérbhrithar. Gealta is the adiacht brithra, so the verbal adjective, gealta, engaged. Breithlá is an animacal, a noun, and pósta, again, the adiacht brithra, the verbal adjective. An a habartí híos ag tagart do Theaghlaigh Éagsúla, an bhfuil is agad cé hiad. So the sentences below refer to famous families. Do you know who they are? Caithfidh tú an cur síos gearad faoi Theaghlaigh Clúiteacha a léamh os ord. So you should read the short descriptions of the famous families aloud. Tuair bula faoi thuairim faoin cén duine nó cén Teaghlach atá i gceist. Make a guess about which family or person they are referring to. Tuair bula faoi thuairim, make a guess. Tá triúr drafúracha agus drathair amháin sa Teaghlach Clúiteach ceolmhar seo. Tógadh a gúnta lú iad. So this famous musical family consists of 3 sisters and 1 brother. They were raised in County Louth. Rugadh in nuairc é, bhog sé go héireann nuair a bhí sé an óg. Bhí leathstrathair aige dorb anam Father Thomas Wheelwright. Fear an tábhachtach é is stair na héireann. So he was born in New York. He moved to Ireland when he was very young. He had a half-brother named Father Thomas Wheelwright. He is a very famous, important person in Irish history. Bhí sé ana híseach agus ina dhé sin ina uachtarán éireann. So he was the Taoiseach and then after that also the President of Ireland. Sé seo an Teaghlach is cumhachtaí is sasna. Maríoch an iní chéile sa bhliain 1997 sa rank. Bhí sí Lapósa. So this is the most powerful family in England. The daughter-in-law was killed in 1997 in France. She was about to get married. Is as an Astráil an bheirt trafóracha cáiliúla seo. Is ceoltóirí iad beirt ach tá an duine is sin a níos cáiliúla. Tá grúig Jan ghine agus grúig Rob an drifúr eile. These two famous sisters are from Australia. They are both musicians, but the older one is more famous. One of them has blonde hair and the other has black hair. Agus inis na freagraí, tá trúr drifúrcha agus drithar amháin sa Teaghlach clúteach ceolmhar seo, tógadh gúlta an Louis iad, is iad na córs or the córs atá gceist. Rugadh nuamharach bhog sé go héireann nuair a bhí sé an óg, hí leathdrathir aige darbh ainm Father Thomas Wheelwright, fear an tábhachtach is stair na héireann. And the answer is Éamon de Valera. Is é seo an Teaghlach is cuachtaí is asna, maríoch an iní chéile sa bhliain 1997 sa rank, bhí sí le pósa. So is iad the Windsors, the royal family, the Windsors. Is as an Astráil an bhairt drifúrcha cáiliúla seo, is ceoltóirí iad beirt ach tá an duine sinne níos cáiliúla. Tá grúig Jan ghuine agus grúig Rob an drifúr eile. So is iad Kylie and Danny Minogue atá gceist. Inis an féidir leatsa chuir síos garad faoi Theaghlach clúteacha a dhéanamh. And now can you give a brief description of famous families? Féach na pictiúr híos nó rounding the chud hain. Look at the pictures below or choose your own. Agus an seo, Katie Taylor, agus na Simpsons. So we have Katie Taylor and the Simpsons. Seo iad, the Kennedys and Cillian Murphy. Anis chuir an Fhiseán cheall agus scríobh síos de chúntais. And now pause the video and write down your descriptions. We have a couple of examples of descriptions of those four people. Again, you can choose others that are more pertinent to you or more well known in your area. So, Katie Taylor is ban éireannach seo a bhfuil cáil orthu fud an domhan mar gheall a cuid achtaí sa sport. So this is an Irish woman who is known worldwide for her sporting achievements. Bhain si rathamach in níos mó ná sport amháin ach a háirithe sa dornalaíocht. She has achieved success in more than one sport, but especially in boxing. Bhuaigh si báin agus teidil Olympicha agus domhanda. So she has won medals and Olympic and world medals and titles. Masterí cheann den na luachlasathe is fearr dá bhfuil ag éireann riamh. So some consider her to be one of the greatest athletes Ireland has ever produced. So again, is ban éireannach seo a bhfuil cáil orthu fud an domhan mar gheall a cuid achtaí sa sport. Bhain si rathamach in níos mó ná sport amháin ach go háirithe sa dornálaíocht. Bhuaigh si báin agus teidil Olympicha agus domhanda. Masterí cheann den na luachlasathe is fearr dá bhfuil ag éireann riamh. So you could also use this to practice reading out loud. Next we have The Simpsons. Is Teaghlach fictiúil é seo. So this is a fictional family. Tá na tismitheoirí agus a gláán ina gcónaí in Achar an Tobar. So the parents and their children live in Springfield. Díríonn na scéalta gnáthshéal an Teaghlaigh grán agus achtaí le húil. So the stories focus on the family's everyday life, humor, and daily adventures. Tá an tathair leisciúil agus cheanúil bhia. Agus is í an bmháthair a chonaíonn gach rud ag imeacht. So the father is lazy and very fond of food, and the mother is the one who keeps everything going. So Arish, again, is Teaghlach fictiúil é seo. Tá na tuismitheoirí agus a gláán ina gcónaí I achar an tobair. Díríonn na scéalta ar ghnáthéal an Teaghlaigh, ar ghrán agus ar 8 léithúla. Tá an tathair leisciúil agus an cheanúil ar bia, agus is í an mháthair a choiníonn gach rud ag imeacht. And now we have the Kennedys. Tá an Teaghlach seo cáiliúil ar fud an domhan mar gheall ar a ról sa pholaíocht agus sa tseirbhís fhadhb. So this family is famous around the world for its role in politics and public service. Bhí poist tá tábhachtacha ag roinnt ball den Teaghlach agus is minic a bhaineann daoine a ainm le ceannaireacht, tragóid agus oidhreacht America. So several members of the family have held important positions, and their names are often associated with leadership, tragedy, and legacy in America. So arís, tá an Teaghlach seo cáiliúil ar fud an domhan mar gheall ar a ról sa pholaíocht agus sa tseirbhís fhadhb. Bhí poist tábhachtacha ag roinnt ball den Teaghlach agus is minic a bhaineann daoine an ainm le ceannaireacht, tragóid agus oidhreacht America. Last but not least, Cillian Murphy. Is aistóir éireannach é seo atá cáiliúil ar fud an domhan mar gheall ar a chuid oibre is scannáin agus is sraithanna teilifíse. So this is an Irish actor who is famous around the world for his work in films and television series. Tá cáil as ról rán rúthlánacha agus as a stíl aistóireachta cheanúil. So he is known for deep, challenging roles and his distinctive acting style. Tá sé le feiceáil I léiriúcháin mhóra idirnáisiúnta chomh maith le drámaí éireannacha. So he can be seen in major international productions as well as Irish dramas. Agus uair eile, one more time. Is aistóir éireannach é seo atá cáiliúil ar fud an domhan mar gheall ar chuid oibre is scannáin agus is sraithanna teilifíse. Tá cáil as ról rán rúthlánacha agus as a stíl aistóireachta cheanúil. Tá sé le feiceáil I léiriúcháin mhóra idirnáisiúnta chomh maith le drámaí éireannacha. Agus sin deireadh le Rannóg a chuaig Teaghlaigh Éagsúla. And that's the end of section 5, different families, ag tagart a rudaí faoi le a bhaineann leis an Teaghlach, mentioning or talking about different things that have to do with the family.
Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil, éanacht le cóid fuaime agus nasca na cuislir, suíomh gréasáin agus feidhmchláir sa ghluaiste a sholáthraíonn Teaghlaigh Éagsúla le haghaidh stadéir agus foghlama. Cosúil le luas chortaí agus stránna gceist, tá sí go léir ar fáil ar mo chiamh gréasáin. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, a website and mobile app that provides various tools for studying and learning, such as flashcards and quizzes, are all available on my website. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge or edited versions at simplyjacintha.com. Direct links will be in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to the TEG for allowing me to use the audiovisual resources that are available on their website. Dúlagam gur bhain sibh taitneamh as. Like and subscribe le do hull.